Alright, so we are going to talk about the what? We are going to talk about the candlestick chart pattern. Yeah, going to talk about the candlestick charts, right? So candlestick chart, it knows on the candlestick chart. Why? Because it's made up of what? Of candlesticks, right? Of candlesticks. So we are going to talk about the candlesticks, how they are formed. So candlestick read three different parts. So my different part a candlestick chine the open and it, and then to the close, and then to the weak, and then the board. So these are the four different parts of the what? Of the candlestick red, right? So these are the four parts of the candlestick red: open, close, weak, board, and it. So zvinoitika ndezvekuti the open and the close yedu ndo zvinotiratidza kuti candle redu riri bullish here or riri what? Riri bearish, handiti. So let's say we have our open right here. So let's say we have our open what? We have our open right here, right? So ndopani open yedu. Candlestick redu rogadzira weak, handitika. Robva raita sei? Robva ragadzira a board at a certain point. Rogadzira board karo. And then rogadzira another week, reach another what? Another level. Maybe this is the what? This is the close ye candle redu. And then this one inenge the what? The body, right? And then I two do at negative machi, do at negative weeks. So this is our what? Our candlestick, right? So nima different parts are rotate tamalebla. So zvinochiitika manje ndezvekuti open ndo panenge paita sei, panenge patangira price yedu. So chinoitika ndechekuti let's say if this open, if we are on our chart and this open is 1.50, ndo pane price, our price was at 1.50, and then our close is at what? 1.70. Iri candle rinenge richinzi it's a bullish candle, right? Riri kunzi bullish candle. Why? Because open yaro iri kuzasi is compared kune close, which means price yedu yavhura at what? At a lower price, ika close at what? At a higher price. Like we are seeing right here, price yedu yavhura at $50, ikavhara at what? At $70, which means that what our closing price was above the what? The opening price. So robva bullish. It's on chart. No paya pamnoda kuti candle rinenge either blue or green depending on my settings amnenge makaisa. So chinozongo determine the only difference between a what? A bullish candlestick and a bearish candlestick. Ichi open in what? The close yaro. So tikaita another candle ratinenge tinaro rekuti open yenu iri apa. Let's say our open is at what? $8.70. Ndo pane open yedu $8 what? $8.70 rodzika for a particular level, and then varagadzira kachi board karo, and then close yaro vareta at what? $8.50. Ndo panenge pane close yaro. And then as we said, this one is a what? Is a body, and then these ones are weeks. So iri candle iri nenge richinzi is a what? It's a bearish candle. So this will be called a bearish candle. So that's bearish candle nei because open yaro iri kumusoro and close yaro iri kuzasi. So price yedu during that particular time yaita say yanga ichidona. So ya drop from $70 to what? To $50. So rinenge richinzi a bearish candle. So this is the only difference between a what? A bullish candle ne bearish candle. The difference is only pa open ne close. Pa bullish candle open inenge iri kuzasi and then close inenge iri kumusoro. Pa bearish candle open inenge iri kumusoro and then close inenge iri what? Inenge iri kuzasi, handiti. So these are the what? These are the candle atina nema bullish candles, nema bearish candles, right? So kuti makendo edu achimeka yatinoti achimeka a chart anenge akuchita sei. So let's talk about my time frames. let's talk about my time frames. So tine different time frames at now per market pen when you're talking about my time frames. When you're talking about time frames, right? So tine different time frames that now pahi per market here. If you have to open our MT5, you see kuti panenge panema M1, which is 1 minute time frame, and then wana M5, which is 5 minute time frame, and then Twitter M15, which is 15 minute time frame, and then we have H1, which is 1 hour time frame, then we have H4, which is H4 time frame, then we have D1, which is daily time frame, and then we have what? We have weekly time frame, and then we have what? We have monthly time frame and yearly time frame. So these are all different types of what? Of time frames. So right now I want to show you how they actually communicate. So per 1 minute time frame, it means each candlestick represent, I just say that price per particular per 1 minute for the past what? For the past 1 minute. So let's say for example minute one price value at this particular level, and then it raised, and then it creates a body, and then it closes itself. So the within 1 minute. So each candlestick represent that as after price within 1 minute, right? So per 5 minute time frame, each candle represent as after price within the what? The 5 minute time frame, which means each candle after 5 minutes, which means kuti toda ma 1 minute time frame, ma 1 minute candles mangani kuti agadzire the 1 5 minute candle, which means mu 1 5 minute candle mune 5 ma 1 minute time frame candles, and then mu M15 mune ma 1 minute time frame candles mangani 15, and then mu 1 hour mune ma 1 minute candles mangani munenge mine 60, and which means kuti kana chiri ku 1 minute time frame tinenge tichiona only let's say, let me give an example, 1 minute and 5 minutes, which means kuti ku 1 minute time frame tinogona kunge tine makendo akadai, and makendo mangana, you see, if 5 makendos ekuchi eku 1 minute time frame, but tikaenda ku 5 minute time frame tinongosvika tongosangana ne 1 candle nerakaita sei rinenge rakadai. So riri kutaura this whole candle riri kudetermina riri kutokavha 5 SI because kuchi ku higher time frame, handiti. So zviri kuitika ndezvekuti zvinoitika manje nezvekuti kana tiri kuma higher time frames tinenge tichiona price from the what? From the eagle view, from the larger picture. So zvakafanana nekuti isusu tikatora drone rikaenda pamusoro, handitika drone rinoona nyika yese, but harizokwanisi kuona kuti apo pane munhu, apo pane dombo, apo pane chakati, but ringoona the whole country. So if we narrow down our analysis to the what? To the lower time frame, for example from 5 minute to 1 minute time frame, we are now seeing exactly what the price is is actually doing. Because let's say here per 5 minute time frame 1 candle rakadai so, but if you go to 1 minute time frame, we are now seeing kuti price yatomboita sei yambokwira ikadzika ikaita all this type of dances, handiti. Zvese izvi hatisokwanisa kuzona from the what? From the bigger picture, but we can actually see it from the what? From the a lower picture, how price was actually what? Reacting. So that's how we use my time frames edu.